We're an interactive marketing, communications, and software development company. We do everything from some light business intelligence and some workflow to game development and design. We're just under 100 employees, so we're a small business, but we're spread across the globe. We're in India, Germany, and then we have 3 locations in the United States. We have several different systems gathering and tracking several different types of information, and trying to put them all together and gain comprehensive reporting has always been a challenge for us. Resource allocation is probably one of the most difficult challenges that we face as a company. And so it's critical that we have this information so that we can make the right decisions.
The executives commonly would come to me and say, we need this report and we've got to get these figures, we have to know where we're at. And just racking my brain trying to come up with a solution and how we can get this business intelligence out of this disparate data across multiple offices.
A big piece of criteria that drove us towards Excel 2010 and especially PowerPivot 2010 would be the fact that we can pull in multiple data sources. That has been a huge beneficial thing for us. Being able to just, go in and grab data from each of these applications and create consolidated reports has been a huge factor in our decision.
It gave me a ton of power that I didn't have. In utilizing the DEX expressions and PowerPivot, we're able to create links between these tables that previously weren't there, allowing us to really link data that without a custom application or a SQL Ninja to come in and create these custom queries. With the DAX expressions, I'm able to go in and easily create these relationships. We have created really sexy Excel charts. I know it's something you don't hear, but they're really sexy. We can control the slicers, the states, the hover over states. It really feels like an application, and I can do it myself. I don't have to have a developer do it. Office 2010 is really exciting because of the new features it brings. The spark lines, which give a quick visual feedback to many lines of data. Now you see simple lines that give you good trend analysis. There's a lot of flexibility in those little tiny lines. The slicers, love the slicers. Slicers allow you to custom design filters for all the data in these pivot tables. So if you want to see where our Detroit office is, we have one button and everything's filtered for Detroit. With SharePoint 2010, we're able to publish these Excel sheets that we create with Excel 2010, and everyone is able to access them via the web. The cool thing is they automatically update even through that. So we're not updating them manually. In the document gallery of SharePoint 2010, there is a view where when you put an Excel chart in there, it actually gives you a great preview of each tab inside of the Excel chart. That's something that wasn't there before. Now, it's a quick view. You can see what's there in the front. You can slide through each one, and you can pull the right file. You can throw these things in front of people, but if it's not user-friendly, if it's not exciting, if it's not something that's pleasing to the eye or easy to navigate, they may not use it unless they have to. But the awesome part of it is that it's Excel. It's Excel 2010. It's something that people have a lot of exposure to. Who hasn't used Excel? The user training is really zero. They look at it, they're comfortable, it's something they've seen before, and they just push right through it, allowing me to focus really on what I need to, continuing to improve BI solutions.
Office 2010 has taken us to a point where Excel has become almost like an instantly customizable business application, and we never thought we could do some of the things with Excel that we've been able to pull off.